Hey everybody, Rob here for Southwest Florida Television. This is going to be my Tuesday morning beach report for North Naples, Florida. And it looks like it's definitely going to be an umbrella kind of day here in North Naples. These are some of the umbrellas at the Vanderbilt Beach and Harbor Club on Vanderbilt Beach. I'm going to take you down to the south end of Vanderbilt, check it out, see how many people are out here. Got a feeling it's going to be quite busy here today. Alright, so I was just making my way down to the south on Vanderbilt Beach. I couldn't resist stopping at the Vanderbilt Beach Resort. And I saw my friend Paulo was here on duty, the beach manager. He will hook you up when you come to the resort.
Morning, everybody.
How are you doing, my friend?
Fantastic.
Absolute gorgeous, gorgeous morning. Isn't it?
100%.
So what do you
better than this?
What are you thinking about the Turtle Club restaurant?
So it's still looking like the middle of April, end of April.
Beautiful.
We're getting into the home stretch here. It's looking fantastic in there. I poked my head in there the other day when I had to accept a couple of deliveries for them.
Nice.
But it's looking very, very nice inside.
Awesome. I know.
So that's what we're looking at still.
So many of my friends are excited about getting back in there.
Absolutely. We're excited to have everybody back here soon enough.
Awesome. You guys are busy, man.
We're very busy. We've been having a great season here so far on the resort side of things. We've been at full occupancy for a couple of months now.
Wow, congratulations.
It's just going to keep going.
I know it was tough there for a while.
It was.
After the hurricane, it was like, whew, it was brutal. But here we are. We're back in business, and it's getting better every day.
We'll be 100% as a building itself.
And beautiful weather, man, beautiful. A little breezy, but beautiful.
Much more.
How are you doing with the paddle boards? You got
paddle boards are great.
I had out here.
I had half a dozen rentals yesterday, even.
Nice.
So
So do you get spring breakers here at the hotel, or
yes, we do. So
really?
I would say March as a whole, just mark the whole thing spring break. Locally, Lee County. There are different spring breaks all over the country, colleges and schools elsewhere, those northeastern schools. They were the first week of March. Now we got people coming this week of March. So
you guys had, what was it, a baseball club or a football? What did you have?
We had in December and January, we had the Notre Dame and Cincinnati swim teams staying with us, and they were on their training trips here. They'll spend 7 days, 10 days, and they'll go to a warmer place than their school is, and they'll just train for 10 days. Very hardcore. And I was a swimmer myself, and I went to school in Philly, so we would go on our training trip to Boca over on the other coast. So I understood exactly what those kids were going through.
Boca is kind of like a Naples, sort of.
Almost, yeah, kind of. A little different.
That's awesome, man. It's awesome. Well, keep up the good work.
Will do.
All right, Paul. It's always good seeing you, my friend. Yep.
Good
Thanks.
To see you, Rob.
All right, there you go. That was a nice little update on what's going on here. Great guy, Paulo. Great hotel here. This is the best value for your money if you want to stay on the beach, by the way, in North Naples, in all of Naples. The Vanderbilt Beach Resort. Home to the Turtle Club restaurant. Now, I promised I'd get you down to the south end of Vanderbilt Beach, so let's head down there. Okay, this is the very south end of Vanderbilt Beach, down by the Ritz-Carlton now. And as you can see, it's getting busy here. Like I said earlier, it's going to be a very, very busy beach day in all of Southwest Florida. Temperature right now about 71 degrees, 72. A few little clouds. Gorgeous though. Could get up to 86 in parts of Southwest Florida today. Anybody wishing they were out here with me right now? I'm sure there's got to be one or two of you watching that would like to be out here. Get you down by that water. Get around all these people bringing all their beach gear out here. It was nice getting a little update from Paulo there about the Vanderbilt Beach Resort. Everybody's looking forward to that Turtle Club restaurant opening. All these bodies out here just basking in that beautiful Florida sunshine. That's what it's all about this time of year. Easter just around the corner this Sunday. Sneak on down to the beach over here. Get down by that water, then I'll give you a look back at that beautiful Florida sun. Water's looking good. That water temperature is about 76. Feels really good. Give you a look back. I'll give you a 360-degree pan here. You can see the tower crane over where they're building the Ritz-Carlton residences. Look at that sun. Woo. Nice little breeze coming out of the south right now. It looks like maybe southwest. It's supposed to pick up later today. It's supposed to get windier out here. It was really windy yesterday. Folks out there enjoying that water. I did not notice any jellyfish on the beach this morning, but be careful, they could still be swimming out there. There's big moon jellyfish. Glorious, glorious, glorious. Saw some gorgeous colors this morning. Just to the north of me, up by the La Playa. Check these colors out. This was earlier this morning. Beautiful glow in the eastern horizon. Isn't that gorgeous? Those early morning colors are incredible here in Southwest Florida. And now look at it. Look at that beautiful blue sky. Alright, that's about going to do it for this morning's beach report. Thanks for hanging out with me. Hit that share button, let your friends know what's going on here. I know a lot of folks are curious about the Turtle Club restaurant. Hey, until next time, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay strong. Tally-ho, my friends, tally-ho. For Southwest Florida Television, I'm Robb. God bless.